RescueTime is one of the most popular productivity and time management tools out there, but before you make the decision to buy, here are 12 things you need to know. Stick around till the end to see how it stacks up against competitors. First up, RescueTime's primary focus is automatic time tracking. Unlike manual trackers where you need to input every task, RescueTime runs in the background, logging your activities automatically. This means you don't have to remember to start or stop timers, saving you a ton of time and effort. It also categorizes your activities into predefined groups like work, communication, or leisure, so you get an overview of where your time is really going. Next, RescueTime offers detailed reports on your productivity. The dashboard shows you how much time you spend on specific apps, websites, or even offline activities. These reports can be broken down by day, week, or month, making it easy to spot trends and see how productive you've really been. If you're someone who works with multiple tools or apps, RescueTime gives you insight into your efficiency, something that most competitors can't match in terms of granularity. The third thing you need to know is about its goal-setting feature. RescueTime lets you set productivity goals, like limiting your social media use to 30 minutes a day or spending a certain amount of time focused on work. Once you've hit those milestones, you get real-time notifications letting you know how well you're doing, helping you stay on track. The fourth thing to consider is RescueTime's focus on distractions. It lets you block distracting websites or apps for set periods. This is a great feature if you're someone who finds it hard to resist checking your phone or scrolling through social media during work hours. Compared to other tools like Toggle, RescueTime's website blocking functionality adds a nice extra layer of focus. Next, the software offers both a free and premium version. The free version includes basic time tracking features, but if you want advanced tools like detailed reports, goal setting, and website blocking, you'll need to upgrade. In comparison to competitors like Clockify, which has a generous free plan but fewer detailed reports, RescueTime's premium version packs more punch. Moving on, RescueTime's mobile app is another plus. You can track your time on both desktop and mobile, making it easy to monitor productivity on the go. While competitors like Time Doctor focus heavily on team productivity, RescueTime gives a more personal, individual focus, which could be ideal for freelancers or solo entrepreneurs. Another thing to keep in mind is RescueTime's integrations. It works seamlessly with popular apps like Slack, Google Calendar, and even project management tools like Asana or Trello. If you're already using these tools, RescueTime fits in effortlessly, while tools like Harvest may require more setup to sync with certain apps. Next, RescueTime's privacy policies are something to look at carefully. While it tracks everything in the background, the data is stored securely, and you have full control over what's being tracked. Unlike some competitors that take more liberties with data access, RescueTime is transparent about what they collect and how it's used. The ninth thing you should know is RescueTime's focus on trends and insights. It doesn't just track your time, it offers actionable advice, helping you spot patterns in your productivity. If you're looking for a tool that not only tracks, but also gives feedback on how to improve, this is a key feature that competitors like RescueTime alternatives might lack. The 10th thing is about how it helps you with focus. RescueTime's Focus Time feature lets you block distractions and set uninterrupted work periods. This works well for those deep work sessions where you need to be fully immersed in a task. Compared to alternatives like Focus at Will, which offers music-based focus, RescueTime focuses on your environment and habits. Now, the 11th point is RescueTime's ease of use. Setting it up is a breeze, and the interface is clean and simple, which is a plus for those who don't want to spend time learning how to use complex software. Many competitors offer similar functionalities, but require a learning curve or have a clunky interface. Finally, it's worth mentioning that RescueTime is a solid option for individuals or small teams looking to improve their productivity. However, if you're managing a larger team or need more in-depth time tracking across multiple users, you might want to consider something like Toggle or Clockify, which specialize in team and project-based tracking. So, while RescueTime is a great tool for personal productivity, if you want a better option tailored to your specific needs, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see if it's a better fit for your workflow.